Welcome. Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21 and I'm going to show camera pro mode on it. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now let's focus on this settings bar here. To get access to the more advanced modes we have to go to the right here. And as you can see here we have the modes, and the first one is the pro mode, so we just simply tap on this. And the pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves, so this is very useful when we want to, for example, making experiments in photography. So let's start with this settings bar here. The first one here is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light by using this slider, as you can see, from 100 to 800. And when we want to go back to auto settings, we just simply tap on this button with manual here. The next one here is the white balance, so here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. As you can see, we have this slider, and by using this we can see the numbers with the K letters, so this is our Kelvins, and we can make our picture more warm and also the more cold as we need. And also to get back to the auto white balance, we just simply tap on this. The next one here is the exposure compensation, so here also we can control the light of our picture, and by using the slider we can make it more bright or more dark as we need. And now let's take a look at this button here, because the other buttons here are also in the standard camera mode. And this is the extra button in the camera pro mode. So here we can change the metering, as you can see, center weighted metering, then matrix metering, and also the spot metering. And now I'm going to take a picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.